Rise and grind, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2002 Buick LeSabre 3.8 V6. It's a loyal client. Been out here for a few services, but we're gonna be doing a fuel pump replacement. Got the trunk open, got everything out, located right up underneath the flap. That is the fuel pump location. We're gonna get that out. Let me show you how. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, so before we start, we get in the back seat, get up underneath the seat, and your battery terminal, get that negative terminal, take it off. Got an 8mm, brand new pump, new harness. Gonna have to rewire that, upgrade it. They give you a little diagram on how to rewire it. Get those screws out. Those are 7mm screws. Then get up under this flat, get a flat head. All right, we got connectors to get off. Pull that out. All of that's done with one hand. These two here, you gotta press these two tabs in right here. You'll hear click like it did. That pulls out. One hand. Same for this one. And that's all the fuel that came out of here. So it wasn't a large amount. You can catch it with a rag. So we're gonna take these ends off and put it on a new pump. Next, we're gonna clean up this area, get this dirt out the way. We gotta tap this ring to the left, counterclockwise, and that'll pop this out. You can get a pry bar. It's best to use a brass bar, no sparks, or you can use a pry bar and put a rag in front of it and just get the tapping. Ring off. Let's see, we can pull it out now.
A few moments later.
So I've been messing around with this thing for about 10 minutes, man, trying to figure out how to get this thing out of here. It's supposed to just come right on out, right? Well, see, I separated it, and this end won't come out the way it should. So I'm about to try to get it like this. See, it won't come out. So I'm not sure about everybody else, but this is what I had to do to get this thing out of here. It would not come out the right way out. I had to separate it and flip it upside down in order to get it to this position. That's crazy. That shit would not come out of there. But we out, man. And now we going back in with the new one. Alright, new pump. Put the new leveler on there. Stick that on there like that. And now we can go in. Alright, so the gasket, the old gasket, we already got it off. Make sure that's off. Put the new one on. Look like you get a variety of gaskets. But this one, it's looking like it's matching this one here. Make sure your gasket is underneath it. You can see I got it in there just so it can hold. Now I'm going to go ahead and lock it in. Alright, we got that locked in. Next we're going to hook up our lines. So I'm just insert these right in here. They're going to clip in. Boom. Same thing for this one. Alright, these two connectors, this one is different. You see that one goes here. That one goes there. And that fits. Gotta swap this one out. We're gonna have to cut this and put the new connector on there. So we're gonna cut it about halfway. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna splice the ends and hook them up to these butt connectors. It gave you 4 of them. Alright, that's what we got. And now we take the chart, make sure we match them all up, and put them in the right formation. Alright, that's what we got. Take that up. Now I wanted to point something out. Now if you look on this connector, it has C, D, A, B on you can see that on both sides, and that'll help you out as well if you don't have this paper, but it's pretty much the same thing. All right, we got that closed up. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. So you want to prime it. Those original miles too, man. This thing got some low mileage on it. All right, I hope the video helped out. All right, we got our next service. It's gonna be the rear control arms. I'll be doing that. So if you're interested in that repair, you can click the link in the description and check that out. Until next time, man. Pull up, King.